I've had some interesting conversations about the idea of transgenderism and gender dysphoria and intersex individuals, not to be confused with people with atypical sexual conditions, right? Essentially, it's a condition where you essentially have malformed or misplaced genitalia, but you have all the right parts. It's like if you grew nipples on your shoulders or something like that. Anyways, I had theories on this, and I think they were correct, but recently I read an article by Rashad Rehman, really good article, titled something like Intersex Does Not Destroy the Binary. Look it up if you get a chance. Cards on the table, though, I kind of skipped and skimmed my way through this, and I did not finish it. But one thing that had stood out was kind of an Aristotelian approach to the to the study of intersex conditions. So, the Aristotelian method is something like this. If you are embarking into a study of the unknown, it is reasonable to start from that which is well known. Right? In this case, the backdrop to a study into intersex conditions is something like the sex binary, right? That's kind of the foundation, which is well known, right? And the binary sex is largely defined by the reproductive cells which they produce, right? There's the gamete, I think is what it's called, sperm for men, eggs for females. So the question that maybe arises in studying intersex conditions is, do intersex individuals produce some third type of reproductive cell? No, they don't. Do they produce both types of reproductive cells? No, they do not. There's never been a case of a self-fertilizing individual, right? There's never been someone who actually had their own child. So I guess the question I have is, to what degree are they actually intersex? Like, in my mind, I assume that most doctors worth their salt could look at any individual, whether they had an intersex condition or not, whether that messed with their chromosomes or not, and say, your body, your physiology, your DNA is primarily structured towards gestation. You're a woman. Or your body, your physiology, your DNA is primarily structured towards impregnation. You're a man. Like, there's no one who actually strikes the equilibrium between the genders, right? There's no one who's 50-50 each or 100% of both. I don't think they exist. Anyways. P.S. I'm pretty sure if I actually had a biological condition that fiddled with my physiology, I don't know if I'd want my experience equated with the standard LGBTQIA plus experience. It feels like there are people who equate these two things and then use what these people experience as a reason to justify them doing stuff to their perfectly functioning bodies. Anyways, alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like.